under state or in Muslim law, who will have custody of the child after divorce. The word talaq means separated, abandoned, etc. In Islam, a formal divorce is called a divorce. Husband can divorce in any case. The wife can divorce only if the written permission is given at the time of marriage. Divorce in terminology means loosening the bonds of marriage, or loosening the strong bonds of marriage. The husband severs all ties with his wife. In order to save both husband and wife from the ultimate disaster in life, the opportunity of divorce has been created in Islam. When there is extreme conflict between husband and wife, when it becomes absolutely impossible for husband and wife to live a peaceful and sweet life together, when the relationship becomes bitter, poisonous, when one's mind becomes detached from the other in such a way that there is no possibility, it was then that this final approach was instructed in Islam. Divorce is the way to helplessness. When the last attempt of husband and wife to bind each other fails, the marriage turns into divorce. The Muslim family law states, if a man wishes to divorce his wife, he must give written notice to the chairman to the effect that he has divorced his wife as soon as he is declared divorced in any manner permitted by Muslim law. The method introduced is the method of Muslim family law. Therefore, it is very important to know and understand the provisions regarding divorce introduced by the Sharia. It is especially important for marriage registrars to have a clear idea about this. Types of divorce. Systematically, there are three types of divorce: A. Ahsan or the best divorce; B. Hasan or Atam divorce; and C. Bidi or divorce against Sharia. There are 5 types of divorce in terms of power or jurisdiction: 1. Talaq Sunnat, 2. Talaq Badi, 3. Talaq Tafbiz, 4. Talaq Mubarat, and 5. Open talaq. There are 2 main types of divorce: 1. Talaq Riji, and 2. Talaq Bain. There are 2 types of talaq bain: 1. Bain Sagir, and 2. Bain Kabir. There are 4 types of divorce in terms of status and status: 1. Haram, 2. Makruh, 3. Mustahab, and 4. Wajib. A. Talaq Hasan. Talaq Hasan tells him that there is no intercourse, permissible condition or pregnancy between husband and wife until. In the case of tour which does not have the mentioned conditions, the waiting period is allowed to be completed with only 1 divorce. That is, the divorce becomes valid after 3 tours. In this case, if the wife wishes, she can marry any other man, or if the divorced wife wishes, and if the husband wants, they can remarry. This type of talaq is called talaq Hasan. B. Talaq Hasan. Hasan talaq is to give 1 talaq in every tour. In this rule, the rule of giving 3 talaqs in 3 tours is called talaq Hasan. If talaq is given, that is, if 3 talaqs are given in 3 tours, then that wife will become haram for her husband forever. She cannot remarry or remarry her husband. However, if the wife marries another man and the second husband divorces or dies due to some coincidence, then she can enter into marriage with her ex-husband if she wishes. C. Talaq Badi. By that, talaq is a person who gives 3 talaqs together, or gives 3 talaqs during menstruation, or gives 3 talaqs at the time of intercourse. It is bid'ah or haram to grant 3 divorces in case of doubt that the divorcee will be guilty in any of the above cases. At present, in the case of most divorces, neither the prevailing Muslim family law nor the procedure introduced by the Sharia is being followed. If there is a dispute between the husband and wife, the divorce is deemed to have taken place only after the chairman, member or any other respected person has signed the divorce notice. They do not declare divorce. Again, in some cases it is seen that 1 divorce, 2 divorces, 3 divorces and 2 divorces are written in the divorce notice. Such a divorce will be included in the public divorce, and all those who have performed such a divorce will be guilty. Who will take care of the child after divorce? under Muslim family law. In almost all cases the parent is the real legal guardian of the child. Guardianship and responsibility of the child are considered separately under this act. In this case, if the father cannot take proper care of the child, then the court may allow the child to be kept in the custody of the mother till the age of 7 years if it is a boy and till the age of puberty if it is a girl. But the only decision parents can make is to support their children. However, the court allows the other party to meet and spend time with the child, regardless of whether the child is a parent or a child.